Hello and welcome to How and Why, the channel dedicated to answering those little questions that pop into your head every day, backed by real science. Imagine this: you're chilling at home, your cat jumps on the couch, stretches, and lets out the biggest yawn you've ever seen. Or you're scrolling through animal videos and spot a majestic lion in the savannah, yawning so wide it shows all those sharp teeth. But it's not angry or tired in the usual way. This happens with almost every animal owner or wildlife lover. Dogs do it when you do, birds before taking off, even tiny fish underwater open their mouths in what looks like a yawn. So what's really going on? Why do animals yawn at all? Is it just sleepiness or boredom, or is there something much smarter and more useful happening inside their bodies? And to make it even more fun, do animals laugh? Not like our big ha-ha laughs, but in their own way? Spoiler alert from the science, yes, and researchers have documented it in at least 65 different species. In this video, we're going deep with the latest research up to 2026. Simple explanations, no jargon. You'll finish knowing exactly why yawning is a superpower for the brain, how contagious it is across species, and why laughter is nature's way of spreading joy. If this sounds interesting, hit like right now and subscribe so you don't miss the next curious fact. Let's dive in. For decades, the common explanation was straightforward. Animals yawn to pull in more oxygen or flush out carbon dioxide when they're low on air or feeling tired. It makes sense on paper. You feel sleepy, you breathe deep. But scientists put this to the test rigorously. In experiments, they supplied extra oxygen to people and animals. Yawns kept happening anyway. Blood tests showed yawning doesn't dramatically change oxygen or CO2 levels, so that popular idea, it's mostly a myth. The breakthrough came from researchers like Andrew Gallup, now at Johns Hopkins, previously SUNY. Over 15 years of studies, including work through 2025, his team proved yawning's main job is brain cooling. It's like your brain has its own cooling system, and yawning is the quick activation button.
Your brain is super sensitive to temperature. It runs best around a narrow range. Get too hot from stress, exercise, hot weather, long wakefulness, or high activity, and performance drops. Slower thinking, weaker reactions, less focus. Animals face the same issue. A yawn solves it in seconds. Here's the step-by-step. Jaw stretches wide. Deep inhale of cooler outside air. Muscles in face, throat, and mouth contract and stretch. This does two key things. Increases blood flow. Warm blood from the brain drains out via veins. Cooler, fresh blood rushes in from arteries. The deep breath cools blood in the lungs, which then heads straight to the brain. Gallup's experiments, including thermal imaging and behavioral tests, confirm this cooling effect is real and fast. Yawns happen most during state transitions, waking from sleep, shifting from rest to action, hunting or playing, or winding down. Fascinating detail from recent research: yawn length correlates with brain size. Animals with bigger brains and more neurons, humans, elephants, dolphins, yawn longer, often 5 to 7 seconds, to cool a larger, hotter organ. Smaller brains, mice, birds, yawn shorter, under 2 to 3 seconds. This perfect match supports the brain cooling theory strongly.
Yawning isn't private. It's often contagious. One yawns, others follow quickly. This shows in dogs, they catch it from you, wolves, chimps, lions, and surprisingly, fish. A cool 2025 study on zebrafish proved contagious yawning in cold-blooded animals for the first time. When one fish yawned, mouth open plus body stretch, nearby ones copied it about 50% of the time. Why does this happen? In social species, contagious yawning acts as a group signal. Wake up, stay alert, or let's synchronize for the next activity. It boosts collective vigilance, huge survival advantage against predators or during hunts. Evolutionarily, yawning is ancient, over 400 million years old, tracing back to early jawed vertebrates. Nearly all animals with backbones do some version. Fish mouth opens underwater, reptiles yawn in heat to thermoregulate, birds before flight, mammals constantly. It's one of nature's most conserved behaviors.
Let's bring it to life with examples.
Lions. After sunbasking, a lion yawns hugely, cooling the brain before a pride hunt. Data shows 90% more yawns pre-movement. Dogs. Catch human yawns easily, strong bond, or yawn at the vet to self-calm stress. Cats. Post-nap yawns restart circulation fast. Elephants. Group yawns may strengthen family bonds. Rats. Yawn during exploration or play to stay focused. Penguins. In icy Antarctica, yawns boost blood flow in cold. Others. Hedgehogs curl and yawn. Walruses yawn massively on ice. Foxes during play. Seals underwater with mouth opens. Even tiny zebrafish show it. Not all animals, snakes yawn less due to jaw structure, but most vertebrates do. Hundreds of species, yawning is universal because it's essential for survival.
Now for the fun twist. Animals laugh too. A landmark UCLA study, 2021, referenced widely through 2025 to 2026, documented play vocalizations, laughter-like sounds during fun in at least 65 species. Not our loud ha-ha, but purpose-similar, signals this is play, no threat. Rats, Jock Panksepp tickled them. They emitted 50 kilohertz ultrasonic chirps, inaudible to us normally, and chased more tickles. Pure joy. Chimps and gorillas, breathy pants and chuckles during wrestling. Dolphins, excited whistles and clicks in games. Dogs, fast panting plus play bows with happy noises. Birds, kea parrots trill wildly. Australian magpies warble. Parakeets chirp joyfully. Others, cows soft moos in groups. Foxes playful barks. Seals grunts. Mongooses chatters. Why evolve laughter? It builds social bonds, lowers stress, teaches skills via safe play. Playful animals learn faster, survive better. Recent work shows hearing these sounds makes bonobos more optimistic and exploratory. Animals experience and share joy in their unique voices. So, wrapping up, animals yawn primarily to cool their brains, boost alertness, and sync groups. An evolutionary gem over 400 million years old. They laugh through play sounds in 65+ species to bond, reduce tension, and enjoy life. Next time your pet yawns or giggles in play, smile. You're seeing ancient smarts in action. Tell me in the comments, does your dog yawn when you do? Or make funny play sounds? I read every comment. If this video taught you something cool or made you laugh, drop a like, share with animal-loving friends, and subscribe plus bell for more how and why. Thanks for watching, stay curious, and see you in the next one.